My name is Teresa Lydon and I am the Student Advisor in the J.E. Cairns School of Business and Economics. My role is to support you during your time here at the University of Galway. If you find yourself feeling overwhelmed or need help getting back on track, I am here to help. I can offer personal support, advice and information on issues that affect your university experience, including general welfare and personal challenges that may compromise your ability to study. I can offer advice about study planning, time management, financial assistance, and support you during medical, emotional, or mental health challenges you may be experiencing. I provide a confidential, non-judgmental, and empathetic space for you to share your concerns. Please do not hesitate to get in touch with me. I am here to support you, and I'm looking forward to meeting you. Best of luck with the next few years in the University of Galway.